Today, you will learn how to add tick boxes in a Word document. First, go to the top menu and click on Insert. Click on Symbol, then choose More Symbols. In the font list, select Wingdings. Here, you will see different tick box symbols. Choose the tick box you want and click Insert. Your tick box is now added to the document. To add a checkbox bullet list in Microsoft Word for printing, highlight your list, go to the Home tab, click the Bullets drop-down, select Define New Bullet, click Symbol, and choose a box character from the Wingdings font. Choose your desired tick box and click OK. If you want a clickable tick box, go to the Developer tab. If you don't see Developer, go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and turn on Developer. Then click OK. Now click Developer, then choose Checkbox Content Control. A clickable tick box will appear in your document. You can increase the checkbox size by selecting it and adjusting the font size. To add space, press Tab or Space key after inserting a checkbox. To change the default X to a checkmark, select the checkbox, click Properties in the Developer tab, and click Change next to Checked Symbol to select a new symbol. First, search for Wingdings 2 font and select the checkbox you want. You can do the same for unchecked symbol. To prevent users from editing the text, highlight the checkbox and text, click Group in the Developer tab, and select Group. You can click it to check or uncheck anytime. That's it. Thanks for watching.